deserve your say. Check the regulation coming down your way. If it targets your word with the content-based knife, that heavy hand of censorship is cutting into life. This triggers strict scrutiny, the highest legal test. The state must prove its burden, or the law is laid to rest. Strict scrutiny, compelling state fight. Strict scrutiny, content-neutral night. Time, place, and manner can stand all day. Significant interest if they're tailored that way. Leave an alternative channel open wide. That's intermediate scrutiny. The legal system rides. Where you speak can change how the battle starts. Public forums open like city streets and parks, but non-public forums like a billboard or bus only need a reasonable tie to pass without a fuss. A legitimate interest keeps those back roads clean, but watch that speech when it gets cast from the scene. Strict scrutiny, compelling state fight. Strict scrutiny, content-neutral night. Time, place, and manner can stand all day. Significant interest if they're tailored that way. Leave an alternative channel open wide. That's intermediate scrutiny. The legal system rides. Unprotected speech gets no shelter from the storm. Obscenity fails the test in any single form. 1. Prurient interest in the local crowd. 2. Patently offensive said way too loud. 3. No art, no science value too clear and present. Danger won't stand for you if it incites imminent violence or fighting words ignite. Commercial speech can't deceive, it needs to be right. No prior restraint, keep the standard clean. If it says any or all, it's an overbroad scene. Strict scrutiny, compelling state fight. Strict scrutiny, content-neutral night. Time, place, and manner can stand all day. Significant interest if they're tailored that way. Leave an alternative channel open wide. That's intermediate scrutiny. The legal system rides. No prior restraint, keep the standard clean. Streets and parks, free speech rolls on.